Hello everyone, guys. How are you all? Guys, today we have to pack up the regression analysis, and to proceed with that, yesterday I have given you some homework in the regression analysis. I hope you all must have solved that questions. Guys, in last class I have given you homework. I hope guys you all have solved the questions of the regression analysis. We have discussed this. Guys, I have requested you all of you to solve all the questions of the main book. Guys, I have requested all of you to solve all the questions of the main book. Just tell me whether you have solved the regression coefficient questions first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Problem property based questions, then correlation and regression questions, then mixed questions. Guys, have you all solved these questions? Shall we start the discussion now? Guys, let's cover up the concept handbook first. Let's start with the concept handbook. Let's start with the concept handbook. Okay, let's start with the concept handbook. Guys, last class we have after completing all the questions and common property, we have started with the relationship between the correlation and regression. And here I have taught you when both the coefficients are given, R is correlated with the R and correlation coefficient and regression coefficient. We have, yes, guys, shall I mute all of you? So whenever you want to speak, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Okay. Guys, now, guys, and we have discussed, started that we have two formula. R is equals to under root of B x on y into y on x, and second one is the second formula of that table. B is equal to R into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y, and standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. Guys, only these two formula establish a relationship between the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient. Guys, after that, two points are remaining. Let's discuss the two theory points. Guys, this is the theory part. This is the theory part. They will ask the directly questions from these two theory parts. Guys, if R is equals to 0, what is R? Correlation coefficient. If R is equal to 0, this means that regression coefficient is 0. Nana. Okay, this means regression coefficient is 0. Guys, if R is 0, then Bx on y and By on x is also 0. Then regression coefficient is also 0. If correlation coefficient is 0, R is 0, then Bx on y and y on x is also 0. Second thing, guys, most important point, put a star on fourth number point. Put a star mark on the fourth number point. Guys, if R is equals to plus 1 or minus 1, what do you mean by, sir, R is equals to plus 1 and minus 1? What do you mean if R is equals to plus 1? This means perfectly positive. Guys, yes or no? This means perfectly positive. And R is equals to minus 1 matlab koi correlation coefficient perfectly negative. Guys, if R is equal to plus 1 and minus 1, then the line x on y and y on x, we can have some conclusion on this also. These lines are, guys, wait, these lines are identical. Sir, what do you mean by identical? I want to say if x on y is like this, then y on x is also like this. If x on y is like this, then y on x is also like this. I mean to say they are identical, they looks exactly same. So guys, again there are two theory points which correlate each other. If R is equals to plus 1 and minus 1, if correlation coefficient is plus 1 or minus 1, then lines are identical. And the institute use one more word, they coincide. Lines coincide. Coincide means they overlap each other. They overlap each other. They coincide. Lines coincide. What do you mean by identical? The lines coincide. It means they overlap each other. Guys, is this point clear? And if R is equals to 0, the lines are perpendicular to each other. If R is equal to plus 1 minus 1, the lines coincide each other. And if R is equals to 0, guys, Bx on y and y on x establish a 90-degree relationship with each other. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Lines are perpendicular to each other. Lines are perpendicular to each other. Guys, just tell me, sir, happy evening, sir, join now only, may I know what you have. Guys, we are just discussing the theory points. Okay, so later on you can look at the backup. Guys, is this point clear? is, can you hold this two relation? If r equal to 0, lines are perpendicular, and if r is equal to +1 and -1, the regression lines are identical. Sir, what do you mean by identical? They look exactly same. Sir, what do you mean by they look exactly same? Guys, they coincide, they overlap each other, they coincide, overlap each other, they overlap each other. Okay, guys, is this point clear? Guys, is this point clear? So here is the we end up the relationship between correlation and regression. 2 points are practical formula, and here 2 points are theoretical based questions. So you can expect a theory based question, and I'm writing this is very important point. Last line is very important line. So don't forget to remember, learn this formula at the last day. Okay, guys, then we have completed the practical part of this. Okay, and we have discussed the point number important highlights, this point, this point, this point, and this point. And they intersect each other, their mean sign of correlation remains the same. Yes, this we have discussed. Guys, now only one formula was left, but before we start the last point, guys, I want you to all to solve this question. Guys, first part we have solved. What is the arithmetic mean? Where we all know the regression line intersect each other at their arithmetic mean. So whenever we will solve both the lines simultaneously, we will get that common point, and that common point is, guys, only the point of intersection, and that is only the arithmetic mean. Guys, now see one of the most important question. This is one line and this is one line. Okay, one is 7x minus 3y. Wait, one is 7x minus 3y minus 18 is equals to 0, and another one is 4x minus y minus 11 is equals to 0. I am asking you, guys, can you tell me which one is y on x and which one is x on y? Guys, by looking at the line, can we predict which one is x on y and which one is y on x? Say yes or no. Can we predict this? Say yes or no. Yes or no. No. How can you tell which one is y on x? They have not given you in the standard format. Neither this first line is in the standard format. Yes. I'm just asking, guys, can you identify which line is x on y and which line is y on x? By just looking at the line, can we identify the line which one is x on y and which one is y on x? The answer is no. We cannot identify, but by just looking at the equation, we cannot identify which one is x on y and which equation is y on x. It is not it is not possible to identify. Okay, so sir, what is the method? Guys, now you please look at this point. How to identify the regression lines? See, guys, the method is hit and trial. We cannot identify line which one is y on x and which one is x on y. So here are the 3 steps you have to follow whenever you want to identify. Guys, can you tell me value of r lies from which area to which area? Guys, the value of r correlation and -1. Yes, guys, -1 to +1. Correct, guys. And can you tell me one practical formula of r and b? First formula, what is that? R is equals to b x on y into b y on x. Say yes or no. Guys, now see, we will use this relation. We will use hit and trial method. I will assume this as x on y, and I will assume this as y on x. Let us assume, we are just, you can assume whatever you want. Okay, and we will write this in standard format of x on y, and we will write this on the standard format of y on x. That is, y is equals to a plus bx, and this is equal to x is equals to a plus b y. From there we will get b x on y, and from here we will get b y on x. Now by when we are having x on y and y on x, we will compute r. How you will compute r? By applying this formula, b y on x into b x on y. If your r comes from -1 to 1, your assumption was right. This is x on y and this is y on x. But if your r don't come between -1 to 1, your assumption was wrong. This was y on x and this was x on y. So guys, we have to apply hit and trial method. Now let's apply it. I've just given you brief introduction how to apply the hit and trial. Now let's apply the hit and trial method. Okay, let's apply the hit and trial method. Guys, just tell me, can I assume this x on y? Are you comfortable? Can I take this as x on y and this as y on x? Okay, Let us assume step number 1, assume any line, one as x on y, one as y on x. Guys, can you present this in the standard format of x on y? Sir, yes sir, we will make x at on one side and send the remaining on another side. Let's do that. 7x is equals to 3y plus 18. So guys, x is equals to 3 by 7y plus 18 upon 7. Guys, can you see this is x on y? This is x on y. X is equals to a plus by. Guys, here from here, can you tell me what is b x on y? Guys, can you tell me what is b x on y from here? Say yes or no. What is that? What is b x on y? 3 by 7? Yes. Guys, now can you from here, can you represent this line in the standard format of y on x? Yes sir. We will like this, 4x minus 11 is equals to y. So we can write y is equals to 4x minus 11. Guys, from here, can you tell me b y on x? Yes sir, coefficient of x is b, that is 4. Guys, now let's compute r. Guys, both are positive, so I will take positive outside the under root. 3 by 7 multiplied by 4. Let's solve it. 3 into 4 divided by 7, 1.71 is under root 1.30. 1.30. Guys, can I say this is not possible? Because my r should be between minus 1 to 1. This is wrong. So my assumption is wrong. I will say this is not x on y. This is y on x. And this is x on y. Guys, I am giving you one homework. Now again compute r by taking first as y on x and second as x on y. So which one is y on x? I will say first one. I will say my answer is first one. Guys, if I would have received a value of r between minus 1 to 1, I would have named it as first. Second one. Guys, just tell me whether this point is clear or not. This is not possible, so our assumption is wrong. Now please come to this point. See guys, first of all, assume any one line as x on y and another as y on x and convert them into standard format. Now pick the coefficient of x and y, which will be b x on y and y on x. Now apply the formula r between this thing. If r comes between minus 1 to 1, then our assumption is right, else reverse would be correct. Guys, just tell me now whether these three steps are clear. Step 1, 2 and 3 is clear or not? Whether these three steps are clear or not? Yes, sir. Done guys. Now let's move forward. We have completed the first part, second part. Now compute the correlation coefficient between x and y. Guys, we have computed, but this was wrong. So I would request all of you to please reverse it and apply. Guys, have you all written this? If you have not written, please stop. Guys, have you all written this? No, sir. Okay, guys, so let's take a right assumption. Guys, so now let's take a right assumption. Okay, no issues, guys. Whoever have written, please solve it on. Let's take it as y on x and let's take this as x on y. I'm giving you time. Apply y on x formula, convert this into x into y, take the coefficient b y on x, b x on y, compute r and give me the final answer. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds, guys. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Prasanna has given me the answer as a 0.76. That's too good. I am solving mine, you solve yours, okay? I am just solving mine. Okay, y on x means 7x minus 18 is equals to 3y. 0.76 is right, Sundar. So when you will make y separately, it will be 7 by 3x minus 18 by 3. So guys, this is my y on x, and from here I will say my by on x is 7 by 3. Correct, guys? Now here we will say y on x, x on y. 4x is equals to y plus 11. So guys, x is equals to 1 by 4y plus 11 by 4. So guys, this is my x on y, and from here I will say my b x on y is 1 by 4. Guys, is this point clear or not? Now guys, can you compute r? Sir, of course we can compute it. 7 by 3 multiply by 1 by 4. So guys, here you will receive 7 by 12. So guys, here you will get 7 divided by 12. Whatever it is, take under root, it is 0.76. Guys, can I say my r is coming between -1 to 1? It means my assumption is right and this is my final answer. And question was demanding compute correlation. Oh, we have already computed 0.76. Guys, just tell me now whether this point is absolutely clear or not. We have practiced both the, I have taken one wrong situation also, and now I have taken right situation also, and it's justifying me. Gokul, clear? Sanjay, Maria, Prasanna? Okay, guys. Okay, now you have to solve this. I'm giving you time. Now think for this. You whatever you are having, whatever you want to do, but just give me the correct answer of fourth question. Variance of x is given. What do you mean by variance of x? Standard deviation of x whole square is given 9. Question is demanding standard deviation of y. Guys, can I say if I will? This is 3. Guys, you are having r, you are having b. Which formula to use in that from among those three formula? Which formula to use? Correct, second formula. Sir, C, you are having y on x also, you are having x on y also. Take anything, take anything. Let me take b y on x. If I will take b y on x, it will be r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. What is y on x? Sir, you have computed y on x as 7 by 3. So this is my 7 by 3. This is, sir, my 0.76. I need to compute standard deviation of y. My standard deviation of x is again 3. So guys, this 3 cancels and sigma y is equals to 7 divided by 0.76. So guys, sigma y will be equals to 7 divided by 0.76. This is 9.21. 9.21. Guys, just tell me whether this point is clear or not. Yes, 9.12, 9.2, whatever, that's correct. Let me check. 9.21, correct. Guys, we have successfully cleared all the, I have taken one residual question, and this residual question, guys, we have taken more than 4 to 5 questions. Okay, guys, now just tell me, we have now last point is left. One last point is left. Let's solve this question. Let's practice that question, residual question. Then we will shift towards the main book, guys. Then we will discuss all the questions of the main book. I will give you some homework. You have to solve all the questions, guys. See, if I will solve this question, your confidence won't be created. Today we will discuss. If you have not practiced yesterday, it's okay. Today I am completing all the parts. We will discuss everything in detail in next 30-40 minutes. What we have to do, I will give you hints. We'll try to solve the difficult questions also, but you have to solve the questions at the home. So that once you are done with these questions, there is no question that will come out of the area. Okay, I will take one extra area also that was asked very long time before. That should not be asked, but institute has asked. So we will cover that one outside portion also, which is not in your syllabus, but since the paper has asked that question, we will discuss that area also. Okay, we will discuss that area. Now, please come to this. See, guys, correct correlation coefficient. See, guys, if you are having you want to compute correct bx on y, watch carefully. If you want to compute correct by x on y, you have to take the reciprocal of incorrect by on x. See, here there is x on y. You have to take the reciprocal of incorrect by on x. So when you will take the reciprocal of incorrect y on x, you will get correct x on y and reciprocal. Whenever you want to get the correct by on x, take reciprocal of incorrect x on y, you will get correct y on x. Guys, is this one clear? Can you keep this in mind? There is flip. If you have x on y, take incorrect y on x reciprocal. You want to compute correct y on x, take reciprocal of b x on y incorrect. Yes, we will go with the example. See, this you want to correct by on x. So take reciprocal of incorrect x on y, incorrect bx on y. Okay. Sundar? Okay, okay. Now let's start. Let's practice this question. Let's take a good amount of question on this. See, guys. Now I will take the last question on the last point that we have discussed now. Okay. Then we'll pack up with the concept handbook. Then we will go with the main book, guys. I'm sorry that I'm taking everything in detail, but I think it's good to study something extra. Because this will create the confidence. I will give you again 5 minutes. We'll revise everything. Yes, everything is fit in your mind permanently. Then we will start with the new chapter tomorrow, that is probability. Next 5 days you are booked for the probability, guys. It is a very big chapter. Okay, so okay, guys, from tomorrow onwards, guys, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on 7th, I'm starting with the 7th slot. Tomorrow, there is not possible, so morning slot is not possible. I'm just giving you slots 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. These 4 days, guys, your slot is going to be morning 8 to 10, evening 3 to 5. Okay, guys, I have high chances that I will make it 2 to 4. Okay, again 8 to 10, 2 to 4, 8 to 10, 2 to 4. Yes. Okay, 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 no issues. Can I extend it this to 8 to 11 then? Okay, guys. Guys, can we do like this? Let's shift our this slot to morning only from tomorrow or day after tomorrow onwards from 7. Can I make it to 8 to 11:30 daily? Okay, so guys, let's start with this. Yeah, an evening slot I will add of 40 minutes, 50 minutes of 1 hour. Let's start with this first. From day after tomorrow, guys, your next slot will be from morning 8 to 11:30, 8 to 11:30. Okay, I will give break of 10 minutes in the break mid. Whenever we will cover any huge big concept, I will give you break. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so from day after tomorrow your slots are from 8 to 11:30, and I will be giving other students timing evening. I will be taking your class. This is my first class from day after tomorrow. Okay, okay, guys. Now come back to this, guys. Now you have to think. I am not going to solve this question. See, is yes.
So in that question, bx and they give bx, y, bx and y same. Which one is?
Wait. X on y, y on x, y on x, x on y. Okay. Let me check this. Wait. A student of statistics treated the regression equation x on y as y on x and y on x as x on y and calculated b. Oh, okay, wait. Guys, make this y on x, make this y on x, make this y on x. Okay, first one is x on y and second one is y on x. Okay, and calculated b x on y and b y on x. Calculate the wrong correlation coefficient. Guys, compute the wrong. I am not asking right. Wrong correlation. How you will get the wrong correlation coefficient? No, sir. This is not correlation. This is regression. Guys, don't get confused. This is regression coefficient. I am asking wrong correlation coefficient.
Sir, 1 divided by current.
Nah. See, guys, correct. Guys, I am asking correlation. Guys, correlation coefficient. I am asking R. I have given you B. What is relationship formula between both these things? Are two formulas. Since you are having B, I will suggest you to apply first formula. Guys, both are negative. What formula should I apply? R is equals to minus under root of bx on y into y on x. Sir, since you want wrong R, you have to take wrong by on x and wrong things. Let me take wrong things. Let's multiply 2 by 3 minus sign multiply by minus 6. Minus will plus. Okay, so minus under root of 2 into 6 divided by 3. Guys, under root 4 minus sign outside, under root it will be minus 2. Minus 2 is the right answer. Guys, now compute correct regression coefficient. Now I am asking about the correct regression. Tell me the correct b x on y. So this will be 1 upon incorrect by on x. So let's take the reciprocal of, sorry, I have to solve more things. Wait, limited space. Wait. Guys, correct bx on y is equals to 1 upon incorrect by on x. So guys, this will be 1 upon y on x, 1 upon minus 1 upon minus 6. This is my correct by on x. And guys, what is my correct by on x? It will be 1 upon incorrect bx on y. This will be 1 upon incorrect x on y is minus 2 by 3. Guys, I will take minus 2 by 3. This 3 will go above, so it will be minus 3 by 2. This is my correct y on x. Yes, got it, guys. I have taken right. X on y is minus 2 by 3. I have taken minus 2 by 3. This will go above. Okay. I got it. Sorry. Correct. X on y. Wait, correct x on y. 1 upon incorrect this. Correct y on x. 1. No, guys, I have taken right. Everything is right. Nothing is wrong. Guys, so this is bx on y. And another one is by on x. Now these are correct one. Guys, so since you are having now correct x on y and correct by on x, can you compute the correct correlation coefficient? Guys, can you compute the correct correlation coefficient? Both are negative. I will take negative outside. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by minus 3 by 2. So this will minus will be positive. Under root of 3 divided by 12. 3 divided by 12, whatever it is under root. Guys, this is 0.5. This is 0.5. Guys, is this point clear? Ranjit, is this point clear? Guys, everyone, this point is clear or not? See, Sanjay, is second point clear? How to you have to take the reciprocal of incorrect one. You will get the corrected bx on. Now, how to compute r? How to compute r when you are having the what is the r means correlation, guys? Why are you forgetting that correlation coefficient means r? You have to compute r. Only two formulas practically gives us the relationship between correlation and regression. One is r is equals to plus minus the under root of bx on y into y on x, and second one is r is equals to bx on y is equal to r into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. There is no data given regarding the standard deviation, so I will use first one because I am having correct bx on y and correct y on x. So I applied this formula, r is equals to under root of bx on y into by on x, and I received the answer. Simple. Guys, now you have to take this as homework. Identify the regression equation, which one is x on y and which one is y on x. Guys, we have already discussed this. You have to apply the assumption approach. Guys, you have to apply the assumption approach. Guys, if I will say, wait. Okay, sorry. No assumption approach. You have to construct the y x on y. Guys, you are having b and you are having arithmetic mean. See, you are having the arithmetic mean if x bar is given and y bar is given. Guys, how you will construct x on y? It is x minus x bar is equals to b x on y bracket y minus y bar. Guys, x means x. What is x bar? X bar is 4 and y bar is 7. X bar is 4. What is x on y? Guys, x on y is minus 1 by 6. I will use here minus 1 by 6. Y minus y bar is 7. Guys, let's cross multiply 6. I will take 6 over here. Minus 1 into y minus 7. Let's open the bracket. 6x minus 24 is equals to minus y plus 7. Guys, since it is we have to construct x on y, you have to make x on one side and send the remaining on another side. So let's do that. 6x is equals to 24 will go there with positive sign. 24 plus 7, 31 minus y. So guys, x will be 31 upon 6 minus y by 6. So guys, this is your x on y. This is your x on y. Guys, can you all construct the y on x now? Can you all construct y on x now? Can you all construct y on x? What it will be? Y minus y bar is equals to b y on x bracket x minus x bar. Y minus y bar is 7. What is b? Y on x. Correct one. Correct one. Y on x is minus 3 by 2. So I will take here minus 3 by 2. X minus x bar is 4. Just open the bracket and represent your answer in the forms of y is equals to a plus bx. Okay, let's solve this. Oh, okay, sorry. You will take 2 over here. So when you will take 2 here, it will be 2 into bracket y minus 7. Let's open the bracket, minus 3 bracket x minus 4. Guys, when you will open the bracket, it will be 2y minus 7 14 is equals to minus 3x 12. Guys, you are constructing y on x. So let's keep y on one side and send remaining to this 14 will come with positive sign. So 14 plus 12, guys, this is 26. I think something is left, sorry, x minus 3x. So guys, y will be 26 divided by 2 minus 3 by 2, 13. Guys, you can simplify it. This is the final answer, or you can divide it by y is equals to 13 minus 3 by 2 x. Guys, this is again a full-fledged question, y on x, and you are here you have considered x on y. Guys, since arithmetic, yes, in answer C, minus 0. Wait, 3 divided by 12 under root. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Yes, yes. Outside there will be negative sign. Yes, outside there will be negative sign. Yes, correct. Guys, is this done? Guys, now we have successfully solved all the concepts. Let's come towards the background. Now, just give me a checkpoint whether you are clear with all the things or not. Just come here. Guys, just tell me, you have to give me the answer. What is the definition of regression? What do you mean by regression? So regression means estimating the value of one variable when the value of another variable is given. This is, guys, my final aim. But can you achieve this aim without constructing the regression equation? Is it possible? Guys, can you construct the regression equation without regression coefficient? So guys, here comes the 3 aims in our this chapter. That is aim number 1, regression coefficient, because without coefficient we cannot construct the equation. Guys, without equation we cannot construct the estimate the value. So guys, we have achieved our first aim by having 3 formulas. Guys, can you please make me revise first formula when all the observations are given? N summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by, let's take y, n summation y square minus summation y whole square. Guys, when you are having the R correlation coefficient, what will be your B x on y? R into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. Guys, when you are having covariance, how you will compute the B standard deviation of y square or standard division of x whole square, whatever the question is demanded. Done with the revision of this aim number 1. Nothing challenging. Guys, now aim number 2. Sir, if we are having the value of B and A also, if you are having the value of A and B both, I will directly say put in the general form, y is equal to a plus bx or x is equal to a plus by. But if you are not having that, you are having mean, which formula you will apply? Point form. Guys, what will you be y on x? Y minus y bar is equals to b y on x bracket x minus x bar. Guys, if you have the equation, just put the value of the given variable and you will get the value of another variable. Done with revision, guys? Now come towards the common property. What is the common property? Whether the regression coefficients, that is b x on y and y on x, has any effect of origin, yes or no? But does it vary with the scale? So guys, what is b u on v? B x on y into multiplier of x, that is scale of x divided by scale of y. What is b v on u? be y on x, multiplier of y, multiplier of x. Guys, done with the revision of this common property. Now in important highlights, you have to tell me few things. Guys, first of all, we have established the relation between correlation and analysis. Two practical formula, two theory formula, say yes or no. In practical, first formula of R is equal to under root of. Second formula, that is same formula that we have studied in the TET table. Second formula, done. Guys, two theory points. If R is equals to plus 1 or minus 1, the lines are. If R is equal to 0, lines are. Guys, done with the relationship. Then we have started with the important highlights, and we have established first important highlight, guys. If one regression coefficient is greater than 0, then another one is less than 1. Sorry, if one is greater than 1, another regression coefficient is less than 1. Guys, either both are positive or both are negative. Say yes or no. Guys, this regression coefficient intersect each other at their means. So when you solve them simultaneously, you get the arithmetic mean. Last point, guys, if you are having incorrect x on y and incorrect y on x, guys, can you compute the correct one? Done with the chapter. Guys, now are you having this chapter in your fingertips without any revision? Can you crack all the questions? Yes, you can crack it. Guys, this flow of this chapter, guys, now you can understand the what is the importance of this concept handbook. Now with the help of concept handbook, you are able to manage to revise all the chapter at one place. Now you can hold this chapter for longer period of time without any forgetting anything. Correct? Guys, now see, now please pay attention over here. I am giving you something, I am teaching you something that is very important. Now write down in the last. Okay, guys, now see. Guys, this is the question paper of, wait, okay, we'll discuss these questions. Okay, guys, just write down this is question of July 2021. Again, this is question of July 2021. So guys, first of all, I'm giving you time, write down this, then we'll start discussion. Write down this first point and write down these two examples, then we'll start discussion. Sorry, wait, where is the board format? Okay, guys, write down this fast. Guys, write down fast. Guys, done? Everyone done, guys? Done with writing? Okay. Just time, guys, I'm coming with water. I'm having one glass of water. You just write down fast, okay? Guys, done? Guys, done?
Yes, sir.
What happened to this? Wait. Now see. Guys, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Now see. Guys, very less possibility that they should ask this question, but recently they have asked one question which was inspired from the straight line, concepts of the straight line. Okay, now since straight line should not be applicable to you because they have recently removed this chapter from your syllabus. Earlier there was one chapter named as straight line and that was the part of your syllabus. Now institute has removed that from the syllabus, so they should not ask, but institute is institute. See guys, in my opinion, one is right answer and second one is wrong answer, and there's one more possibility, institute answer. Now when it comes to institute answer, we will never see whether it is right or wrong. Whatever institute says, that is right for us. So recently they have asked the questions inspired from the straight line, mixing the concept of the regression, and here is the other useful concepts. So shall we start now guys? Done with writing? See guys, can you see this is our standard format? This is our standard format of y on x. Say yes or no? Guys, this is in terms of straight line. Guys, in terms of regression, we name it as regression coefficient, and in terms of straight line, guys, we name it as slope. What we say? In terms of straight line, we say, name the regression coefficient as slope. So this b is regression coefficient in terms of statistics, and in terms of mathematics, we say this b is slope. This b is slope. Okay, guys, in case of statistics, this is regression parameter. Regression parameter. But in case of mathematics, guys, it is known as y-intercept. This is known as y-intercept. Guys, now they have asked one question in July. If the slope, they have not used the word regression coefficient. They have used the word if the slope of the regression line is calculated to be 5.5. Guys, just tell you what this is given. B, say yes or no. And y-intercept is given. What do you mean by y-intercept? A. Then the value of y when x is 6. Sir, question is demanding the estimate the value of y. But sir, you want to estimate the value of y. So first of all, you need y on x equation. You cannot achieve aim number 3 without aim number 2. Sir, but aim number 1 is already given. You don't need to compute b. They have already given slope. But they will use the word slope. If they will use the word slope, don't forget slope is only b. And a y-intercept is only a. Guys, can you construct y on x? Y is equals to a plus bx. So guys, what will be y is equals to 15 plus 5.5x. Guys, I want to estimate y when x is 6. Let's put estimate y when x is 6. 15 plus 5.5 into 6. Guys, y will be 48. Guys, this is right answer. So guys, this was the question I am saying. Institute should not ask because they have removed this syllabus from the straight line. But it's okay. We have covered all the relevant concepts of the straight line in the regression only. So if they ask, we are ready now. Guys, is this point clear? Sanjay, Ranjit, Prasanna, everyone, this point is clear or not? Say yes or no. Okay, guys, now, don't expect any kind of hint from me. Solve this question. Very easy. Very easy. You have solved this question more than 3 or 4 times in the concept handbook, so don't solve it wrong. Guys, I am asking R. I am asking R. What is R? Correlation coefficient. I have given the enough information to compute R. Solve this. Point? Wait. Good. I'm impressed. Guys, how? See, sir, this is y. Sir, this is y on x. Guys, sir, no, sir, y on x is y equal to a plus bx. Sir, where is a? A is 0. Guys, a is 0. Yes, guys, 9x plus 0. Can you see y is equal to a plus bx format? Guys, Can you see y equal to a plus bx format or not? So here what is by on x? From here you will get by on x, whatever it is, 9. And from here you will get bx on y, and that is 0.01. Guys, 1 is C. Now conclude 1 is greater than 1. So 1 is already automatically less than 1. Both are positive. Can you see, guys? So here you will get R is equals to, I will take positive under root of bx on y into by on x. That is under root of 9 multiplied by 0.01. Under root of 0.09. Take it 0.3. Guys, is this point clear or not? Guys, now you all are ready from my side to rock in the regression. You can challenge any question. This is my surety. Just revise it once. But before that, guys, we long way to go. Now you have to solve all these questions. Shall we discuss one by one all the questions? Will you solve all the questions at the home? We will discuss what to do, and you have to perform these things today at home. Guys, see, you are given with the arithmetic mean and standard deviation. We have discussed the same question in the concept handbook. R is given. What is regression coefficient y on x? Guys, what is by on x? Which formula to apply? R into standard deviation of y upon sigma x. Guys, what is R? 0.6. Guys, what is the standard deviation of y? 5. See, standard deviation is given. Divide by standard deviation of x is 2. Guys, solve it. 0.6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, 1.5. This is the answer. Sir, they have, why so much information is given? Guys, they have constructed the question. Their demand was to ask something else. Estimate y when x is 3. We will construct the equation. To construct the equation, we required the arithmetic mean. Is question demanding the regression equation? No. I already informed you. Out of that 3m, institute will ask any 1m or 2m. But that's all. Guys, we have discussed this question in more detail in concept handbook. See, come to concept handbook, guys. See this question. See this question. This one. Same question. In fact, we have discussed in more detail. We have computed R. Then we have constructed regression equation also. Then we have estimated the value of x also. Achieved all the 3m. Same question. Same question. My question in the concept handbook was more demanding. Guys, is this point clear or not? So now, are you worried about the, by looking at the length of, or so much data is given, sir? Don't worry, don't panic. Are you all ready now? Guys, next question. The way they have given you the information, guys, this thing, this will inspire you for what? Correct. Correct. Now solve it. Sir, they are demanding regression coefficient x on y. Guys, which formula to apply for x on y? Third one. Sir, bx on y is equals to covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of y whole square. Guys, we have solved this question also. If you will go with the concept handbook, this was the data. See, guys, you have solved this question in detail also. I have taken 2 cases, more than 3 cases. Guys, you can clearly see, if you solve concept handbook twice with understanding, no need to solve anything extra in the statistics. Everything is covered in detail. Guys, give me the answer of this. Sir, let's compute this. Question number 2. Covariance between x and y is equals to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. So whatever it is. So this is 192 divided by n. N is 10. Guys, n is 10. So what is covariance between x and y? 19.2. Guys, now you need standard deviation of, so see, x on y. You need standard deviation of y. You need standard deviation of y. This is under root of y minus y bar whole square divided by n. Summation of this. But when you will take square, under root will vanish. and summation of y minus y bar whole square divided by n. So what is y minus y bar whole square? Y minus y bar whole square is 322 divided by n is 10. So guys, summation of y square will be 32.2. Say yes or no. Now you are having covariance, you are having standard deviation of y square. Guys, can you compute b, sorry, x on y, covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of y whole square, 19.2 divided by 32.2, 0.5962, 0.596, 0.596. Option A. Guys, can you see you are ready for all the questions? I am saying you are ready for all the questions in detail, whatever they ask. Can you feel that confidence now? Now, please solve third question. Regression coefficient x on y, y on x, covariance. Guys, covariance, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y is given. They are asking b, wait, they are asking b y on x. Aha. Sir, you have given us covariance. Whatever we need to think, nothing to think, guys. Covariance between x and y. 0.54. Done. Sir, why they are asking us this standard deviation x whole square? 121 divided by 15 whole square, 15 into 15, 225. 121 divided by 225, 0.54. Guys, here I have given you all the observations. I have given you x, I have given you y. X is, guys, but sir, guys, you have to solve this question here now. Sir, you have given us x 6, 8, 5, 7, 4, and I have given you y 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, and I am asking the regression coefficient b x on y. Guys, just tell me which formula to apply. First, wait, but if this question comes in the examination, sir, will we construct the table? No, don't construct it. We will solve entire question in the calculator. Are you all ready? Wait a second, this calculator view is tampered. Let me settle it. Wait. Okay, now this is ready, guys. Oh, wait. Guys, is this calculator visible now? Shall we start? Guys, now see. First of all, sir, what we will do? Guys, are you all here? For sure, are you all here now? Guys, what is the formula of bx on y? Bx on y, n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation y square minus summation y whole square. Say yes or no. Guys, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write n in place of n, write 5. Guys, now you want to have summation of x into y. Say yes or no. Now you want to have summation of x into y. Say yes or no. Guys, let's do x into y. X into y. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. Multiply 6 into 4. 24. What should I do? M plus. Guys, m plus. 8 into 3. M plus 5 into 2. M plus 5 into 2 m plus. Then 7 into 4 is equals to m plus 4 into 2. M plus MRC. Guys, how much it is? 94. Guys, you received another thing, 94. Guys, now you want summation x. Multiply only x. 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4. Guys, how much? 30. Now what is summation y? Add only y. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Guys, it is 15. What is n? 5. Guys, now take square of y and add it. Let's do that. Guys, square of y. Sir, 4 square. 4 into 4 is equals to m plus. Sir, 3 into 3 is equals to m plus. 2 into 2 is equals to m plus. 4 into 4 again equal to m plus. 2 into 2 is equals to again m plus. MRC. Guys, how much it is? 49. Summation y whole square. This was summation x and this was summation y whole square. That is 15 whole square. Guys, done? Now guys, wait. We will write directly final answer. Don't perform anything. Don't perform anything. We will solve this directly in the calculator. Now see how. Guys, are you all here? See, I will suggest whenever you want to solve this kind of equation, always solve the denominator part first. Okay? Always solve the denominator part first. Guys, let's do this. 5 into 49 equal to 245 m plus. Done? Everyone done this? Now 15 into 15 is equals to, sorry, 5 into 49 is equals to m plus. Guys, 15 into 15 is equals to 225. Guys, should I m plus or m minus? M minus. I want the net resultant, MRC. Guys, now do one thing. Click MRC 2-3 times so memory will be vanished. Now you are having 20. Now just save 20. Again m plus. I want to use this to divide something else, correct? Now let's solve the numerator. 5 into 94. Wait, guys, you have to hold 20 in your mind. Guys, you have to have 20 in your mind, okay? Clear memory, guys, clear memory. Clear the memory. 5 into 94 is equals to m plus 30 into 15 is equals to m minus MRC. 20 divided by 20. Guys, what is B? 1. No option matching. We have computed x on y. Yes, no issues. Let me check just. Guys, see, we have computed x on y and should be 1. Mark none of this right answer and our answer is 1. It's okay. Don't worry. Guys, my main motive was to teach you, can you solve this kind of questions now directly in the calculator without hesitating or table concept? No need of table concept. Guys, ready? Now, please solve question number 5. Guys, by looking at this, what you feel? Now you are all ready for the war. Guys, wait. Okay, just hold on for a second. Okay, I will give you the answer. Wait. Guys, see, very easy question. Don't panic about the n. Do you agree with me that the formula for b x on y is correct? This is the formula. Say yes or no. Guys, now expand covariance. What will be expansion of covariance? Summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. Say yes or no. Whole divided by, what is standard deviation of y whole square? Under root will be removed. Due to square, under root will be removed. Can I write? It will be summation of y minus y bar whole square divided by n. Say yes or no. Due to square, under root will be removed. Say yes or no, guys. Everyone. Guys, now n cancel. I don't need n. This will be summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is 3900 divided by summation of y minus y bar whole square, that is 2668. 1.46. Option A. This is point, guys. This is point. Everyone are you all clear about this question? Guys, till now, do you find anything that you are unable to think about the formula? Are you getting your formula in the mind first automatically? Then you are ready for this chapter. Student says me that this chapter is difficult, but I really don't find any chapter difficult in the mathematics. Okay, guys. Now I am giving you homework. I have given you enough confidence, guys. Today, if I will solve this question, my development will be there. Are you all ready to fight these questions today at home? Guys, so solve all the questions today at home, and tomorrow you have to send me whatever question you are having doubt, you are not getting the answers, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
One more thing, sir, about tomorrow's class. Can I have backup, sir?
Yes, guys, today I'm well working over the backup. Some classes are, I have to split it, reconnect it. So today I will upload the backup, guys. Give me an entire today night. I will be compressing it, uploading it. When early morning you will start and look for the backup, you will see the backup is available. Till today date, the backup will be there for sure. Okay, guys. So tomorrow, be ready. We have to start with the new chapter, and that is probability. Okay, guys. See you, everyone, guys. See you. Okay, guys. Guys, are you all feeling confident? Whatever we are studying, are you feeling confident in that now? Okay. Guys, so see you all. Guys, can you do me one? Wait a second. So I'm just packing up for the recording, guys. Okay, pack up for the recording.